What's up, YouTube family? It's your boy Mpumi and Co with Funds and Galore, where investing means more. So, guys, today I'm gonna be giving you guys high probability setups. Like I said, I only trade high probability setups. I don't trade medium to low probability setups, guys. But one thing you should always keep in mind is that yes, we've been having a successful streak of wins with majority of my videos, actually, if not all of them. I think it's all, but like, let me just put it at majority of all the videos that I posted. In terms of my market breakdown, every signal has done what I wanted it to do. Literally, you can go check it out for yourselves, guys. Even though they're outdated, still you will learn a thing or two, which is the most important thing. You need to learn how I take my entries and why I take my entries, guys. So today we're seeing high probability setups for NASDAQ and also German 30, guys. German 30 is literally DAX, also high profitable instrument to trade. So we're gonna just look at NASDAQ and how I intend on capitalizing on these next entries. I'm gonna try to keep this video as short as possible so that you guys can get it on time. That's if you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So guys, I'm just trying to give you guys everything on top, like literally on real time live. So like, I hope you like, subscribe, and most important, you hit that notification bell so that it can alert you when everything is ready. So guys, our first potential entry is the NASDAQ. Like, as you can see, we won Friday's trade, which I also posted. Yes, with my boy, I was with Leo Flair. So I gave out signals for NASDAQ on real timing, So basically, the market is still respecting setup. The market is still expected to push far beyond and go to this region, but we only want to take entries until this region there, because it's only that's literally, the market has been there before. Anything above that entry we're not gonna be taking, even though the setup does tell us that the market will push to the upside. So you just want to be safe and you want to trade professionally, like professional traders, guys. So it's just important to knock off our entries at this level right here. So let me just remove that and zoom in quickly, guys, so you guys can get this in real time. There's still time, you still need to wait and stuff like that. So as you can see, the market, we need the market to do what? To close above. If it closes, we have 1 minute. If it does close above our green level right here, it means that okay, now we're looking for continuation. So we'll just see. I'll come back to NASDAQ because we're also going to be looking at German 30, and I'm also going to be showing you guys the results for gold and S&P 500, right? So as you can see, the market is playing above beautifully. So what do we need is that we need the market to close above our key level right here. If it does successfully close above this key level right here on the 30-minute time frame, we are good. Then next, we're going to expect a push from the next candlestick down here. After that candlestick push, another 30 minutes will be going in for our entry. So let's say the market does successfully retest here and close off bullish again. After an hour from now, we're gonna be literally entering. I'm going to be entering, guys, no matter what, anything's gonna happen. Like literally, like I said, we're gonna place our trades on high probability setup. So let me just do this quickly. Let me just switch to the 4 hours and just add in a key level to support my zone quickly. So there we go, just to make sure that we exit at the right spot, literally. So now we have entries here. We're going to be covering a 0.70%, right? A 0.70%. So meaning that, okay, there we go, we close positively. So if this bearish candlestick closes exactly as it is right now, we're gonna wait for another bullish candlestick before entering, right? We're gonna wait. So as you can see, the market made a right wick. So those are This is to trap those impatient buyers, because literally the market can not respect this and maybe push back down, right? It can literally push back down, maybe to come back and retest there before giving us those entries. That's why patience is important. So we needed to close and give us another bullish candlestick before we enter, guys. So that's what I've been doing literally, and that's how I've been killing all of my trade setups that we've been taking. So we're literally looking for buying opportunities right now. So if the market, let's say it closes right about here, we're gonna be looking for those entries. After that, confirmation first. We need confirmations. We can't just enter without a retest, a bearish candlestick, then a bullish candlestick that follows afterwards. We have our first confirmation, which is a bullish candlestick, which is also making a, what is it? Is it a star or what? An upside down reversal pattern in candlestick formations. Okay, so now we're just waiting for it to do exactly what I just said. We're expecting it to do. We're gonna go for 0.71. We can only risk half of this or lower than that. So let me just quickly get out my phone and just calculate what is 50% of that. Like I said, you always wanna, your positions must always be 50, like must be 50% of what you're willing to make, right? So let's just do the calculations quick. So we can only risk, you cannot risk more, okay, more than 0.35%. So we'll just keep it at 0.32%, right? So we have our stop loss there in case the market does break below. As I said, you always want to have an advantage over the market. That's how you literally win long term. You should not look at short term results. Yes, you see, like last time I even indicated live when you guys said I took a loss here and I'm waiting for an entry again to the top side. So market can manipulate and break back in, and like we did. So with this position we made back this loss and we were be able to go into much deeper profits. The same thing with this trade. So if it does take us out, we'll still look for entries here, then capitalize on that, guys. It's literally just as simple as that. So okay, we are done with the NASDAQ. So we concluded that we were waiting for the market to finish off these pushes. Let me just show you guys our wins quickly before I do the US30 market breakdown. So as you can see, also posted the S&P 500. Like I told you guys, never sleep on S&P 500. As you can see, we whipped it, we killed it, we slaughtered it, whatever you want to call it, dim it, we literally slaughtered it. Also take profit hit. Also for gold, take profit just hit. If you followed my analysis, guys, and if you stuck to it 100% without doubting anything, like I said, the best thing you can do for yourself is to trust yourself, guys. Trust your analysis. So basically, you see, we slaughtered it. Take profit just hit today for gold. It finished off our pattern. This one I gave for free, we slaughtered it. Also this one I gave for free, slaughtered it. So we having a winning streak of back-to-back wins. Like literally, we're having a streak of back-to-back wins. So let's go back to US30. I'm also seeing, I mean German 30. I'm also seeing entries, potential entries. But since I've never done it's been a very long time since I've done a market breakdown for German 30. So this is where I'm gonna be taking you guys. We're gonna do a full market breakdown quickly for German 30. It'll be quick. Like I said, I know exactly what I'm doing. I don't need to take time explaining in terms of what I'm doing. So first and foremost, we're going to do what? We're gonna cater for our key levels. If you've been following my videos, you'll literally see I literally do the same thing for everything in terms of currency pairs, in terms of indices, same thing. Just want to mark off these key levels. The market is above, we are all-time buyers, so we're only looking for all-time buying. Our high probability setups are all-time buying opportunities, right? Never break your rules, no matter what this person or this person says. You know, always follow your rules, guys. So we can see that we have a trend right there. Cool. Alright, let me just switch to line. Everything is catered for perfectly. It is absolutely fine. Like, then now we're just gonna dive into the 4 hours. We're gonna just let's just mark this key level. Yeah, we have a lot of touches right here. Is everything fine? Okay, yeah. Everything, yes, fine. It's fine. We having another key level here. We're having another key level here. 1, 2. We have a lot of touches. You see our key levels by the most touches. Like I said, guys, to be able to master this, you need time and patience to be able to do what I'm doing. Like, literally, you just need time and patience. Then, literally, everything will just seem easy on the eye for you eventually. This is the highest point the market has ever been, so you're gonna be looking for that too, to capitalize on that. So now adding our zones to just confirm everything, and to give us, like, when we enter, it'll also help us know that, okay guys, we're on the right track, right? So let's just add in our zones to cater for the most touches. Zones for what? The most touches. You want to cater for the most touches, guys. There we go. Then at the top level, they will just leave it as it is. So we have a beautiful zone here. So that the reason why we use it, because like with just levels, you might see a break and retest here and be like, okay, we're looking for sales, but guys, we have a zone. We have a whole entire zone right there, whereby the market can literally just push back here and push back up. So we're looking for continuations. We're literally looking for continuation patterns. We're looking for continuation patterns to the upside, right? So our intended thing is to, like, okay, now the market is respecting. We look like we're gonna be entering German 30. Like I said, I have an account for NASDAQ, S&P 500. I group the smaller pairs together. Then we have an account for German 30 and US 30. So I separate everything, guys. Then we have an account for gold. So basically that's it. Let's see if we're entering. Did the market give us confirmations to enter? Let's just see that. Oh, my bad. Let me just remove this. Also remove this. Yes, we have confirmations. We're entering this pair right now. We're entering this pair right now. So the exception is, let me just enter this quickly, guys. Literally, like I said, man, using adequate proper risk management and everything is on point. So the reason why I'm giving you signals and also demonstrating to you guys, so that you know where to exit and everything like that, it is literally important to know when to enter and know where to exit. Okay, my MetaTrader app is glitching because I'm switching accounts right now. I am literally switching accounts, so I don't know why is it taking this long. So yes, you're gonna be entering it so long. Let me just show you guys. Gonna be entering this position from here. We're going for that 1.52%, man. Ooh, that's a big take. And I'll also confirm it with candlesticks and everything. We only will risk 0.48%, even though, guys, it's the like literally why I put in a zone. I want you guys to understand that the market can also, just because it's a high probability does not mean that it's gonna work out all the time. The market can literally drop at the end of this zone before going up. You see, so that's why we're entering it there and we're having a stop loss there. We're not gonna risk us to put our stop loss below here. We're not gonna take a far greater risk because why we wanna have an edge over the market. The most important thing is having an edge over the market. So let me just take in my positions. Let me see if it's gonna work. Oh my word, it's taking time. Let me do this. So that's basically our entries right now, ne? That's entries. We have entries, like exact entries at this time, pushing to the upside. So what we're gonna do, let me just cater for our let's cater our trends quickly. My bad guys, I'm just trying to enter right now. I haven't been getting entries on this account for a while, like a very long time. Let's see. Nope. It's fine. Let me just do this quickly so I can also upload this video, guys. Like literally, I'm doing this at Funds and Glow. We're just trying to help you guys to the best of your abilities, right? So you're gonna have a nice, beautiful trend, right here. We have a nice, beautiful trend right here. There we go. Let's just cater for that touch too. So we're looking for the market to push up. So let's just change this change because why? This is for our trends. Like I always say, I wanna make it easy on the eye. We wanna make it easy on the eye for our viewers. So guys, there we go. There wait. Let's see if it's opening. Okay, it's finally opened. Finally, so German 30. New order, purchase. There we go. We in this trade. We in the German 30 trade, guys. We are literally in the German 30 trade. We are in on real time, real life, everything, man. Here we're not scared to take losses. Literally, guys, if you're scared of losses, man, or if you're ashamed of losses, you should literally not be trading. You should trading losses are always part of the game. Even though we're having back-to-back successful wins, guys, but losses are part of the game. But as long as you put in your entries on high, probability setups, you should not fear losses or fear anything. Like when you're trading real account, you should always tell yourself that the money is already gone. So we're having our alerts at our stop loss right here. In case the market does break, hit our stop loss and maybe push back up, so we can eat that trade again. Literally, don't want to miss out on anything, right? So basically, that is our setup. We've hit resistance. We have one confirmation for sell, one confirmation for buy. Overall buy, two confirmations. Right, guys, we have 2 for 1 confirmations for German 30. So we'll just have to see what the market really does from this point onwards. If it does hit our stop loss, I'll wait and see what it does afterwards. If it does break back in, I'll record another video. I don't think I will, guys. Literally, let me just show you guys something. Let's say it does break and hit our stop loss. Be ready to wait for those retests and pushes to the upside again. That's all you need to do. Wait for the retest again and push it to the upside. Then I will do, after everything is done, like let's say if it does maybe push to the downside, I'll do another video just to explain everything. But if it does exactly this, push, hit our stop loss, push and break, it'll just depend in terms of what I'll be doing and everything. But this is what you need to do. If you're taking this trade, it hits our stop, pushes back up, retest, go in for another entry. If that same entry fails, don't enter again. Wait for me to give you validations in terms of what to do. As long as you're using risk management and as long as the entries that you take are not going to blow your account, you're good. Just wait for me. Use proper risk management, guys. For indices, if you're trading with 1,000 account or anything like that, trade using a micro account. Don't trade using CFD. You will literally blow your account, and you don't want to just blow your account over one position, right? So that's basically it for German 30, guys. And that's basically it for hours. Just to show you, we're expecting for the market to push back up there, right? Push back up there. The market can come back here where our TP is, then create pushes to the downside, or it can push it to the upside, create those retests and push to the upside. So that's basically it. Did I show you? Let me just show you guys. Did I show you gold? Nah? I think I did show you guys gold. But if I didn't, yeah, we hit take profit, and there's literally nothing else to do for gold. There's literally nothing else to do. You're done. If the market does continue pushing, retest going, we're not gonna do anything because this is literally our all-time high. So we're not gonna predict or guess that the market is gonna continue going up without any data. Like we said, we use previous data in order for us to spot our opportunities. So guys, that's basically it. Let me just check what let's just quickly check what NASDAQ is doing again. My babies, let's just check what NASDAQ is doing. So guys, if you take German 30, if you're only using one account, don't trade German 30 and NASDAQ. Only pick one that you feel like, okay, this one is it for me, right? Let's just see what NASDAQ is doing. Okay, NASDAQ is doing that. You see, guys, if we would have entered earlier entries without confirmation, we would have been stopped out, literally stopped out. So we need the market to close. After 9 minutes, it will close, and we needed to break back inside this channel, inside this key level right here before entering NASDAQ. If you're into NASDAQ and if you feel like, okay, NASDAQ is what I want to trade, don't trade German 30, guys. If you want to trade German 30, literally it's under your own expense, but I'm just showing you guys that This is literally, I have different accounts for all of these things. I have an account for German 30, US 30, US 30, one account. One account for SPX 500 and NASDAQ, and I have an account for gold. You see, I have I don't trade everything with one account. Nope. No. Because one pair can just give me maybe back-to-back losses while the other one gives me wins. But if this one blows my account, then I won't be able to capitalize on these other trades. So that's why I separate them. If you don't separate them, and if you only used to NAS100, just wait for the NAS100, guys. Wait for those entries. Then you can trade NAS100. That's if you have one account. So don't try and juggle everything at the same time. It won't work. You will blow your account quicker than you can even pronounce your own name. Literally, guys. Until next time, guys, man, I hope this was informational. I hope this helped you guys, man. Until next time, peace.